We got a windstorm today, and look at those waves. The water is crazy. I'm in my truck. I'm not going inside yet because it's like really, really high winds. My hubby's gone out there to take a picture. I told him be careful. But we got high winds. It's been raining most of the day. It stopped raining, but now it's just blowing really hard. This is our beach. This is the waves that's down at our beach. The waters are rough as anything. There's nobody around today, and there's no fishermen out there today. I'm sitting in the truck, and the truck is shaking under me. The winds are that high.